set the record straight. That's my God, and I love Him. That's my Jesus, He died for me. For all the world to hear, I'll say it loud and clear. That's my God. That's my God. Some say He's nothing more than a fairy tale. He's just a myth or legend, and His presence is not real. His word is not correct politically. They curse and mock His name defiantly.